Okay, dear friends, now let me just go on to this exercise. That is, we will compare smartphone sales unit using a stacked area chart. Okay, here what are all the scenarios are? You want to invest in one of the five biggest smartphone manufacturer. So looking at to that quarterly sales unit as part of the whole, maybe a good indicator of which company to invest in. Okay, so here, as I have already said, we have the data set as smartphone sales.csv in the sub dataset subfolder. And previously, let I just include the necessary modules to and enable plotting. Okay, so matplotlib and using the pandas and numpy. Yeah, it have done. And the next one, here I just want to load the data set as smartphone sales.csv. Yeah, that is also has been included. And see here, dear friends, using that given data set, we want to create a matrix where the element contains the sum of the total. uh, See, actually here, how we are just making it is, we want to visualize it in a stacked area chart. Okay, we want to visualize it in stacked area chart so that each and everything to be area it is in one above the other. And here, as per the thing, nothing much different within the before exercise. Here we want to plot the figure, and next one the labels, which is we are just going to start with the column of 2 is 2. Okay, and next coming to the plotting of Quacher, Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Zoom, Oppo, all the things are there. And next, adding the legend, adding the title, and adding the X label and Y label and to the title. Let we execute it and see how the plotting is. Okay, yeah, it's colorful, but I just want to minimize the size and let I visualize it in a way. Yeah, fine. So see here, dear friends, even though as the legend it is overlapping. Okay, so we can see a comparison of this five smartphone units. We can see that Samsung have the highest, that is, this is orange. Okay, so Samsung have the highest sales, and it would be safe to invest into that. That is what the resultant we just got as the output of this chart. Is it clear, dear friends?